Okay, so my father bought my son these nice Onshine number learning locks, and so I thought, well, I'd better intercept these and pick them, and they're pretty neat little learning locks. It says 36 plus months, but I'm pretty sure we can get in there sooner than that. See, so a little different locking system you usually see in these locks. Now there's some kind of word on all of them, and some kind of coded symbols here. I'm not sure, and these I think are maybe some tryout keys or something. Like the wording on all these is different, so eventually you can find the key that goes to that. As you can see, they do work, but I haven't yet found any relationship between these mysterious symbols, the word, and what these keys are labeled. So maybe at a future date, or after some more research. I believe these are shimmable. Just get a shim here. If I can find that one again. Yes, they are in fact shimmable. So that's, a pretty serious security flaw. Plastic body though, so I have to assume that maybe these are intended for lockout, tagout purposes, or something rather than actual physical security. Once you find some way to decode, or maybe you could label them differently so that you can tell which of these locks go to which of these. I'll go ahead and pick a different one, and let's see if we can't actually pick this guy. There we go. Okay, let me just make sure it's focused on the right spot here, I think. All right, find the right, okay, that looks like a good one. Now these actually rotate to the counterclockwise. We're going to use Moki's high pin count lock picks here. Let me get this in a better spot. Okay. Now it's pretty hard to tell what's going on in here. I should also say that I don't believe these are guttable. Okay. Here's some specialized hooks here. Now, I'm not getting a lot of action here. Yeah. I think part of the problem is I need to kind of float pick this guy. So here we go. We're going to float pick this thing. And maybe use one of these dimple flags. Oh, that fits right in there just perfect. Work on that. And oh yeah, there we go. Perfect. Whew. I know that probably looked easy, but I have to tell you, it may or may not have been as easy as I just made that look. I will say it's no Gold Grand V or Ruko Grand Plus or anything. Yeah, it's not so you can It's always disappointing when you find a lock with this kind of security in it, and then it's shimmable like that. But you know, what are you gonna do? You can't have everything. And like I said, I'm pretty sure it's intended to be like a lockout, tag out kind of lock or something. And, you know, if anybody can decipher these symbols, feel free to leave something in the comments. You know, just who knows? Who knows, right? But anyway, this is the Onshine Create Happy Childhood number learning locks. We got into it way faster than 36 months, so I'm pretty happy about that. All right. Look at that. They even taunt us with this mystery. Which key can open this lock? Pfft, I don't know. So that's just sort of weird kind of way to advertise and manufacture your locks. But you know, I'm not here to judge. I guess it is supposed to be a learning experience. So anyway, there it is.